Schoology tips and tricks. Tip number 29. Oh no, where did it go? Never fear. If you come into your Schoology class and you can't find something, and maybe you accidentally deleted it, you can find those things again. So you might have never gone to your recycle bin. Here under course options at the very bottom, you have a recycle bin. If you delete anything for all time within your course, it will live here in the recycle bin. Okay, it is here. You are not going to lose things that you accidentally or on purpose delete in your recycle bin. So you're going to notice I deleted a whole folder early, just a few minutes ago. I probably shouldn't have done that, but now you can see I'm going back to April 10th when I deleted some things. Now I'm back into 2023 when I deleted some things, and it just keeps going. So September 2023, I deleted some things. Um, your recycle bin it goes on, and it's going to find everything that you deleted. And as I'm floating over this off to the side, I have a gearbox and I can restore it and decide where that is going to restore to. So never fear. If you think that something is gone from your course and that you somehow accidentally deleted it here, or if you hit delete and you meant to hit copy, it will still be there. By going to your course options and your recycle bin, you can find those materials and not have to start over.